All right, guys, this is the Abuler 5-in-1 immersion blender. This thing is super compact, but super powerful. You can just click the buttons on the side there to remove the pieces if you need to insert something else there. I'm going to show you how all that works in a second, but this thing goes from 0 all the way up to 12, and you can hear that's at 2, and then this is at 12. This thing's got power. Like, I can feel it when you click that, but you also have a turbo button there if you need to kick it up even another notch from the 12. So that's pretty cool. Basically, what you're able to do with this is you're able to blend, this is chop right here. You're able to blend with this in here, and you're able to whisk and froth. And I'm going to show you a couple of these. So first thing I'll show you is let's show chop. So basically what we do is we remove this. This is available now. All we do is just click that in place, and we go. And look at that. It flawlessly chops that right up. Now we can click that button again, take it right off, and now we're ready to blend. So what we're going to do is, I hope this doesn't go everywhere. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's easy. Oh, that's easy, dude. Look at that. Look at that. So what I did is I put some protein powder, I put some milk, and I put some bananas in there, and it's blending it right up. That's pretty cool, I would say. That's easy, dude. Let's use the turbo and get it kind of blended. Wow. So that's a nice, like, almost like milkshake, a healthy milkshake right there. So you can do that. We'll leave that there and clean it.
The aroma's in the air now.
There you go.
I smell it.
There you go. You can also whisk. So actually, no, all we do is put this back on, insert the whisk right there. It's in, and now you're able to whisk. I'm not going to use that on that because I'm going to use the frother. So this is a frother, so you can also froth your milk for like cappuccinos and stuff. So that's what we're going to do here. So that's foaming it right up. It's going to turbo. There we go. There we go. So as you can see, I don't know anything about the kitchen, and I was able to use this really easily. I think this is an extremely versatile piece. And based on the number I'm seeing on the product page there, this is an incredible value. And if you don't get it, you're going to kick yourself for the rest of your life.